Hi all, welcome to Safe Trading. You have reached out to this video. It means definitely you have installed the Safe Trading AI level based app and now you want to know how you can use this app or how this app is going to help you in trading. So I'm here, myself Ankush. I'm going to answer all your questions here, right? So I have created already all the topic list and we'll go through one by one. So as soon as you launch the Safe Trading AI level app, the on left hand side you see this kind of screen will come on your mobile, right? So this app specifically designed for any kind of crypto, any stock, any index, right? You can use. So basically you need to enter the opening price for that whatever entity, whether it's crypto or stock or index, and then you need to click on the analyze. Once you click on analyze, you will get the breakout and the breakdown levels, right? As you can see here, I have pasted here the opening price of natural gas for 13th August and then it has given me the levels. Okay, so this is how you will see on your UI, right? So I hope the first point here is clear, like how to use this app. Now the most important point, as this is a AI level simulator, it will not work on real-time data, and which is good actually, because this app is not a SEBI register, and that's where we have to enter the values manually. But as long as it's working for us, it's definitely fine, right? Because ultimate goal is we need to get the proper levels, accurate levels, and we have to make most of it, right? So coming back to the most important point where I would like to spend more time as well, where whether it's really working or not, right? So let me show you. This is for on my screen. If you see, this is a natural gas, right? Where open around 261.90, the breakout was 265, and then breakdown below 257.987. So what is the result here, right? So here if you could see, right? So natural gas open around near 251, it went up to here 26 kind of thing, 263.4, right? But still whether the breakout level has come or not, right? So the breakout level was 265.96, it has not reached to that point, and then after breaking 257.8 we got a one-sided fall, right? And which is a big downtrend rally we have captured from 257 to the 244, which is almost 12 points fall. So it's truly amazing, right? Where 1 point belongs to 1250, almost around 20k profit per lot, 10 points down. So kind of jackpot, right? So we have seen the results for the natural gas here, right? So you are never going to miss a bigger trend. Just I have given you the example of natural gas, and again what the app says, breakout level you got, breakdown level you got. Whenever the market trades in between this range, most of the traders lose money here, right? Because they try to trade in a zone which is a sideways, and because of you know over trading or theta decay, you know traders are losing the money. So the paying more amount of brokerage to the broker, that problem is also going to be solved if you use it properly, right? So the over trading problem is also solved. Now let's try to go over more charts so that you can build up your confidence, right? So we'll see further. So this was about natural gas, and then yeah, let me go one by one, right? So another example is here crude oil, and this is on also same day, today only, right? So the breakdown was below 5606, and if I go here, crude oil first chart here, let me open up that, and if you could see the crude oil after breaking 5606 here, right, it has made a low of 5530. So here almost it is, here almost it is 80 points down from 5606, right? So just a moment, let me see, yeah, the recording is still going on. Sometimes it stop and then all efforts go in vain, right? Yeah. So whether it's trading or recording, you know lot of efforts are required. So below 5606 we have seen like 5430, we got that. Now see, every morning we calculate this level and we post in our community, right? And this app is totally free. Okay, so let's see further, right? This was about Nifty. Yeah, this is for today only. Nifty open around 24,563, and after giving a breakout of 24,602, it reached up to R2, which is nearer to this level, right? 24,702, right? So after breaking 24,600, we got almost around 100 points, and yeah, and then downside at late, in the last half hour market after breaking 24,523, again we got almost around here also. I can say 20, and then yeah, 60 points also downside, right? So the perfectly it's working. And then yeah, this is also again one few example, and this is for 11th August, right? So after breaking 24,410, let me show you this one. After breaking 24,410, one side rally up to 200 points we have captured, right? So we have the enough data, and this is not the case of only one day basis, right? This is daily happening. Okay, daily happening. So we just have to take care. We have to follow proper stop loss, and stop loss also, we have integrated into the app, right? And if you are doing option selling, then nothing like that, right? So the stop loss is must, and only thing, you shouldn't be deploying all your capital for a single entity. Okay, you must be doing a diversification. You must have control over position sizing. Even if you trade with only one lot and do a option selling with a proper stop loss, nothing like that. Okay, so we have seen a few examples like for crude oil, natural gas, nifty, and moreover, it is going to work for the crypto as well, right? So let me show you the crypto result as well, right? So on one of the day we have calculated Ethereum was breakout above 4025, and after breaking 4025 it went up to 4200, and this is the chart, right? So this is perfect example. Okay, yeah, this is perfect example. And same is the case for Solana as well. After breaking 178 it went up to 186, right? So that is also perfect good. So it's working for all the entities: crypto, stocks, nifty, index, commodity, that all we have seen. So we have covered here 3 points, and if anyone have any doubts, right, they can ask in the comment. Now coming back to the fourth topic, how this is going to help the long-term investor. So among us, many are doing job and not able to track their portfolio, right? But if we talk about the portfolio, we see like all of the stocks are not kind of going up kind of thing. Few go down, few goes up, right? And definitely the question arises in the mind whenever stock goes down: shall we exit, or you know keep holding it? So these levels can make you help decide that, like if it's giving a closing below the breakdown, right, ideally you should exit a portion of it and try to grab the same entity at lower level, right? And sometimes it will help you to prevent from a drastic fall, right? So this is the way also it is going to help you on a long term investors, and it is going to you can easily handle your you can do a portfolio management, right, by following the levels, and also you can do a kind of risk management. And as I mentioned, no system is perfect here, right? But the probability of winning is almost more than 80%, but the stop loss is must, right? And yeah, so stop loss is for protecting the capital and minimizing the potential losses. Always remember, one trade is enough to wipe out all of your capital. That's where the position sizing you should uh, you know you should properly take care of it, and then you do a option selling only within a 80% to 90% zone. So moreover, what next this app is offering? So if you see here the second button, which is like view option range calculator. So as per nifty expiry, we calculate the 60%, 75%, 90 and 95% winning probability ranges that help us to plan the option selling strategy, and that is more advanced concept, and some other day maybe I'm going to cover that. Moreover, what is the extra feature we are planning here? We are planning to integrate the wicks as well. So where we can, it will give you the intraday ranges, right? So that you will get an idea, like, if it moves in your direction where you should be booking the profit, right? So we are going to integrate wicks as well. Now the last point, right? As I have developed this app and I'm more experienced to it, and every day in the morning, right, we make use of it. So I encourage all of you to join the SEP trading community, okay? Because I'm more experienced to it, even though the app is publicly and freely available, right? But somewhere the hand holding and support is required, and also you want to learn the advanced things, concepts kinds of thing. So definitely you can join the community. And last but not the least, right, this is a simulator kind of thing, just like a aeroplane simulator, right? So it's not kind of a real device, okay? It's a AI based app, okay? It's AI based app, and internally it take care of all your, I will say, the technical indicators, and study the historical data, and the algorithm run, and it calculates the level. So it's a purely educational based purpose app. It will help users to learn and the practice safe trading strategies, but it's not a advanced advice or recommendation to anyone. Okay, it's not a financial advice. So it's a totally educational purpose free app. So the risk is yours, profit is yours, the stop loss is yours, the mind is yours, right? So all this thing is up to you. You need to use it properly. So if you like this app and development, right, and wanted to make most use of it, so like and subscribe to channel, and also join the safe trading community group. So stay tuned for more advanced videos on this topic, so where we are covering the things on some kind of if and else basis conditions, right? So that will be the part of next advanced series. So that's it for today. Stay tuned and thank you all.